description about our speaker, Dr. Indu Anita. As you are a psychologist, you're a life coach, I think so having advice from you, having an insight from you will be very helpful for the viewers.
Every 16 minutes there's a rape. Then every 4.4 minutes a girl is subjected to domestic violence. So while we are talking, I think every 5 minutes a person, a woman or a girl is being subjected to domestic violence. So I think these figures are quite disturbing, and that needs to be addressed, and we really need to understand how do we go about handling it. Usually this is the first advice we give कि ठीक है यार, अगर कोई मार रहा है तो पुलिस बुलाओ ना, लीगल एक्शन लो, खत्म करो. But legal action is not the solution. Cases, studies have shown that if you jump to legal action, usually it ends up into aggravation of situation, or there will be other issues into it. But for the girl, I would say, I think she has to learn to assert. One, your behavior, your language has to be responsible, because once you are getting married, so you're not getting married to a person. Actually, in Indian custom, I think we are getting married to a family.
Right.
So here I'm not saying that you adjust with everything and you tolerate every inequality or any discrimination against you, but learn to address it in a legitimate way. And at the same time, if something is not acceptable to you, please assert. Please take action. Talk to your husband, talk to your in-laws, talk to your parents. Involve family rather than involving police or taking law in hand. When we are raising kids, teaching them respect for women is something that we have to practice at home and demonstrate. Where even that conditioning has to be changed, where we normally tell to our daughters, कि बेटा तेरी डोली इस घर से जा रही है and तेरी लाश ही वहाँ से आनी चाहिए. I think that's a very wrong advice that we give to our daughters. But at the same time, हमें ये भी नहीं कहना अपनी बेटियों को कि बेटा तू जा, जो कुछ होगा हम संभाल लेंगे. So these are two extremes, not advisable.
Right.
Not advisable. I think as parents, we have to help both girl and the boy to understand that that is not the way of life and it is not acceptable. So when it comes to physical violence, I think both the girl's parents and the boy's parents should be on the same page. They both should discourage physical violence for multiple reasons. One, when the violence would become extremely dangerous, you don't know, because in the fit of rage anything can happen. I've seen cases where husbands have killed their wife on a trivial issue.
Very important point that you raised, that how to resolve conflict is something that we should learn as individuals, as partners, and with family or with your significant other.
But I feel millennials are going to be different.
We hope so.